Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying game version and compatibility because mismatched builds break injectors. Once confirmed, backup saves and config. This protects progress. Next, download the Ghost bot package and any dependencies and place them in a dedicated folder. Make sure to run the installer or unpack with admin rights. That avoids permission issues. You now have the core files ready, so transition immediately into configuring the bot. Don't delay, because setup order matters for stability. Now you configure the Ghost bot itself, adjusting hotkeys, target profiles, and safety limits so it behaves predictably. Once done, install the injector or plugin into the exact game directory. Wrong paths cause failures. Then, launch the game in a private or offline session to test actions, watch logs, and refine timings. This is where you tune behavior. If automation seems off, tweak delays and perception thresholds until the bot acts smoothly and avoids obvious. Finish by running a full session test and monitoring CPU, memory, and network latency, because performance affects detection and responsiveness. Once satisfied, save configuration snapshots and keep backups for quick rollback. If things go wrong, first check version mismatches and permission blocks. These are the most common causes. They stop hooks or injectors from loading. If needed, reapply correct permissions, reinstall the matching bot build, and repeat the private test. You'll then be ready for cautious live use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.